In front of me I have a Sharp Aquos Smart LED TV 40-inch, and I'm going to show you how to set up channels on this TV. First, use your remote control and go to the right upper corner to enter the settings. Use the arrows to reach that point, click OK, then switch to the channel option and click OK. Now you can change the installation mode. Go down, press OK, then select Channel Installation Mode. Go to Scan and click OK to enter. Here you can set up the scan mode or channel type by using the left or right arrows. You can choose between Advanced and Quick Setup. Use the bottom arrow 3 times and click OK to start the scan. The scanning is in process, so wait until it completes. The scan is complete, and now you can use your smart TV. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to the channel.